Welcome to the BlackStar Survival Channel. Today, we're discussing water requirements for disaster preparedness.
Access to clean water is crucial in emergency situations.
Did you know a person can survive only 3 days without water?
The average American uses about 82 gallons of water per day at home. This highlights the importance of having a sufficient water supply during emergencies.
Store at least 1 gallon per person per day. And don't forget about your pets. They need water too. Fill containers with water, such as jugs or bottles. Keep water purification tablets or filters on hand to ensure safe drinking water. Rotate your water supplies regularly to ensure freshness. Consider storing water in various locations throughout your home. In a disaster, water sources may become contaminated. Boiling water is a reliable method to purify it. Plan for your water needs when creating emergency kits.
Hydration is essential for overall health and well-being.
Stock up on water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables. Remember, water is needed for cooking and sanitation too. Understand the signs of dehydration and heat-related illnesses. Prioritize water storage when preparing for emergencies. Teach your family about water conservation in emergencies. Share water-saving tips with your community. Use containers specifically designed for storing water. Check expiration dates and replace water when necessary. Consider investing in a water filtration system for emergencies. Always have a backup plan for water in emergencies. Start building your emergency water supply today. Prepare for disasters by ensuring access to clean water. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay hydrated.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you in the next video.